Hello, color cut paper artists. Today we're going to replicate a Matisse picture, but we're going to do it in our own way. So what we are going to do is we are going to go into our art bags and find the big green piece of paper. This is going to turn into a beautiful windsock. But first we have to make it. So we're going to need some scraps of paper. These came in our art box and our colored construction paper pack. And we're going to need our scissors and our glue. So let's go ahead and get started. You saw some interesting information about Matisse, and what we're going to do now is we are going to use simply our scissors. No pencil, no eraser, no marker, just our scissors, and we are going to cut pieces of paper into shapes. You do not have to make your shapes like Matisse's shapes, but you can, however, choose and elect to do that if you saw some of the shapes in his work and you would like to go ahead and try to copy his and make some for your own. Totally your choice. But as you can see, what I am doing is I am simply just using my scissors and cutting and designing with scissors. Some people call this drawing with scissors because I am simply just making the lines and making the shapes just as I would with a pencil or a marker, but I'm doing it with my scissors. And once I'm finished, I'm gonna place it on my paper and then find another scrap. I have all kinds of scraps from other projects, and what I can do sometimes is I could actually use the shape that I see. Watch this. I'm just gonna cut around the shape like this, and suddenly I have this beautiful circular shape just like that. I can come up and do something with that later. It looks like a letter C. Or you don't always have to cut a straight line around something, right? You could do a bumpy line. Cut any kind of line you want. That's what drawing with scissors means. It means you can draw any kind of line that you like. This is gonna look really funny, and I may not use the whole circle, but that's the idea. So find your colored papers, find your scissors, start drawing some shapes, and at the end, you're going to arrange them in a way that you see as pleasing, and then you're gonna glue them down using your glue or your glue stick. The Elmer's glue for this part would be better, but if you don't have this, then the glue stick will be okay. What's funny is on the next step of this project, the glue stick will be better. But if you don't have it, the Elmer's glue will be okay. So either or will be good. All right, let's start making those shapes. We're gonna arrange them, then glue them down, and then hold on to your project for the next step next week. Here we go.